Hi, I'm Katie from Norfolk Kitchen and Bath. We're in Franklin, and I'd like to show you around this kitchen that I designed. The cabinets are medallion in sea salt, the door style is Lancaster. The quartz countertop is Silestone in Miama Vena, and we have a lot of accessories in the island that I'd love to show you. So first there's a tray divider. And then over here we have a utensil pull-out with some spice and cooking storage on the bottom. And of course you gotta have a trash pull-out, trash and recycling. And then in the corner there's a Lazy Susan. Always so convenient. Got some pots and pans in there. And a spice pull-out. You'll notice the giant apron front sink and the beautiful tile backsplash, which is a marble mosaic. And we have some crown molding to bring the cabinets all the way up to the ceiling and add a little bit of detail to the kitchen. And there's also a glass cabinet behind you. Thank you very much for stopping in today and looking around the kitchen. We'll see you soon.